Bili.
Billy Bulimi or something. What is it? Do you want me to say it like
Speak.
a Filipino?
Okay.
Bibili ako ng donut.
The word that he knows, Tagalog word, is sometimes like, you know. Bong. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. It is, what day is it today, Anna? It is Sunday.
It's Sunday.
Yes, and we're going to see
Nani Papa.
Nani and Papa. Okay. So guys, alam nyo, this is the first time na nag-vlog ako since nung dumating kami from our vacation in Brisbane. Kasi, alam nyo naman guys, pagka-uwi namin dito, parang adjust ulit, back to work, and busy ulit guys. Yung gagawin namin ngayon is, dadalhin lang namin ito sa kanyang lula at saka lolo para, yeah, catch up with them kasi, di ba, it's been a while na hindi kami nakapunta. I think the last time pumunta kami doon was, yung Easter. Kasi, di ba, nag-egg hunting. Show me your dress, Abi. Wow, I love your dress. Whoosh! You're like a princess.
I do like pencil.
Rapunzel?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wash your face. Wipe here, oh. Ayun ang gahi nga kalungat. Here, ikabi kalungat.
Guno.
Kalungat.
Guno.
Ka?
Guno.
Ka?
Guno.
Lu?
No.
Ngat.
No.
Kalungat.
No.
Dapat rin naman. Dibi, dapat naman. Ikaw na, let's go na. Bring your jacket. Magdadala kami ng jacket, guys, kasi alam niyo naman, Melbourne is now winter, kaya kahit na it looks like it's, you know, sunny sa labas, maginaw na maginaw pa rin. So, alright, you ready to go? Ready to go? Alright, see you later, guys. See you later, guys.
Delicious, guys.
Hi, guys. Time check tayo. It's now 2 o'clock ng hapon. Yeah. 2:08 ng hapon. And kakapark lang namin dito sa South Melbourne Market because, as mentioned before, di ba pupunta kami sa bahay ng lola tsaka lolo ni Daddy Mike for dinner, early dinner. Tapos, what's the Tagalog word for it, guys? Nadadaanan namin yung South Melbourne Market kung saan nabibili ko yung jam donuts ko. Actually, say hi sa Daddy.
Hello.
Here's our guest. Ayan, ang ating baby girl sa likod ay makikita niyo, she's sleeping, she's having a nap. Kaya sabi ko, muna namin, mag-vlog update muna namin kayo.
You gotta see your mate, the gold mate?
No.
I bet you do.
Why? No, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna go. How to say it in Tagalog, Daddy?
What?
I'll buy a donut.
Ako ng
You can do it.
Ako ng maglalaro donut.
Maglalaro is playing them.
Okay. Ako ng donut. What is it? Say it to me and I'll repeat it.
No, you said remember before when you used like, I'm gonna
Ikaw,
go get
yeah.
my latte. I'm gonna
Ako
get my latte.
ng ako
Billy.
Bulimi or something. What is it?
Bibili ako ng donut.
Huh?
Bibili.
Bibili ako ng donut.
That's right. Yeah.
Bibili ako ng donut.
Yeah, that's right. Si Daddy Mike kasi guys, nahihirapan siyang magtagalog.
Do you want me to say it in a Philippine accent?
Especially Bisaya, guys. He really finds it hard.
Do you want me to say it like
speak.
a Filipino?
Okay.
Bibili ako ng donut.
May nagtanong din pala sa akin, Si
Bibili
ata
ako
Alena,
ng donut, sir.
yung ating mahal na subscriber dyan. She asked me bakit daw binibisaya ako si Paris. Binibisaya ako si Paris, guys, kasi obviously yung family ko sa Pilipinas, they're all Bisaya, 'di ba? Kaya at least kahit na si Paris hindi makapagsalita ng Bisaya, as long as nakakaintindi siya.
As long as she understands.
Yeah. As long as nakakaintindi siya, guys, I'm very happy with that
We
one
both
already.
understand.
Yeah. So si Daddy Mike naman, why aren't you learning Tagalog, Daddy? Or Bisaya?
Because I'm already bilingual, and unfortunately, because I'm bilingual already, it's too much to take on, you know.
You too old?
Yeah, it's too hard. Yeah, I can't be trilingual.
Yeah. So Daddy Mike can speak obviously English and Thai. So nakakapagsalita si
Sorry, car.
Daddy Mike ng Thai, pero hindi niya talaga kaya mag-Tagalog, guys. Nahihirapan talaga siya. Word that he knows, Tagalog word is sometimes like, you know, buwang.
Kanto.
Puta. Kulungo mo na siya. That's all, guys. Yun lang yung alam niya. Putang ina.
That's my favorite word too.
Yeah,
I like using that one when I'm angry.
Yeah, well, that's your
Putang
favorite
ina.
word. That's your favorite word because it's the only word you know.
Kanto.
Gising na, pero ayaw magpalagay ang ating baby girl.
You wanna be like Mary?
Tingnan niyo, guys, oh, fall na talaga. Yellow na ang mga leaves. Yan, maglalakad na kami papunta doon sa donuts. Nak, what are you buying, Nak? Donut? See the donuts. Oh yeah, I think they're still there. Tingnan niyo, guys. Traditional homemade donuts. Oh, it's pretty cool. They've done something like this here. May nauupuan. Nak, tell the lady we want to order 6 jam donuts, please. Nak. Ayan. If ever you're in Melbourne, guys, you should try this one. South Melbourne Market. Sobrang sarap. There's the 2. I've got my donuts already.
Come on. Order some cupcakes.
Huh?
I get some cupcakes for tonight.
Yeah. You want that one? Yummy. How much? 4 for 20. Oh, gee, that's expensive. Tingnan nyo, guys, daming cakes nila dito. Yeah?
Hey, hell yeah.
Careful, Baba.
What's up, baby? Yeah, can I get
Here's mine though. Walang makakapigil sa akin. Akin lang to. Move, Baba.
Is it 4 or 5 for $20?
4 for 20.
Okay, yeah. I'll grab the...
Few moments later.
May bata na hindi na makapaghintay, oh. Diretso na talaga. Ay, hindi na talaga siya makapaghintay. Kanina pa yan siya sa shop ay sa South Melbourne Market. Can we go see Nani and Papa? See Nani na? Hi, Nan. How are you?
Thank you, darling.
That's good.
Nice seeing you. You're beautiful.
Show Nani your dress.
It's beautiful.
Oh my gosh!
So pretty. Aren't you? Look at you from here.
She couldn't wait to see you.
Yeah, I know. She rushed in, little girl.
How about Papa? Where's Papa? How have you been? No?
Yeah, good.
Oh, he's not here?
Yeah, Papa's in the room.
Ah. Oh, did you cut the thing here, Nan?
Pardon?
It looks clean.
Yeah, Papa
This one.
did.
Oh.
Yeah.
Open the door, Daddy.
Peter Dance comes down and does the trees.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're coming next Saturday.
Yeah,
That's good.
I might. I don't know yet.
I hope so.
Hey, Ma. How are you? Good, how are you?
Did you see Papa?
Is that my bed? Oh, lovely.
No, she's very excited to be here.
Yeah,
Chocolate in there.
put in
Are we
there.
going to have it? You and me going to have it?
Nanny's got something for you too.
Like Easter. She wants to do like Easter.
Oh,
How are you, Papa?
how are you?
You look great.
No, I'm always great. We're going to go in the lounge. I want to play. No, can you play a game? Yeah.
Daddy's got found them.
Wait.
Books. And
Go
he's
sit down.
playing the potato chips.
Go sit down.
What's that?
That's mine.
It's mine. It's not yours.
Books, well.
Did you show Papa your hair?
Oh, it looks beautiful.
Have a look at your hair.
Oh,
Oh my
you see?
goodness.
And I look at my hair.
Nice hair.
It's
Yeah.
a lot.
Daddy's got and they're going to tell me.
Daddy straight into it.
You've got to go.
Daddy's favorite.
Yeah,
Nan's.
that's right. That's what Pa said. I said,
What was that, Bob?
Shepherd's pie.
I said German shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie.
yeah.
Shepherd's pie. Daddy's
It's the
favorite.
ripper.
Yeah, Daddy's favorite.
It's not.
It's dinner,
Well,
guys.
it's
My mistake.
Dito pang dalawa.
Paris, what do you want to eat?
All right, come on.
Honey, let's go have dinner na.
No, I didn't like it.
You said you're hungry.
I'm not.
Did you change your mind?
Come on, let's go and eat.
It's another one.
Let's go eat. No, it's not. Hang on.
Let's go.
Boom, it's gone away.
Cheese and bread.
It's no longer
Yeah,
there.
just get bread and cheese for him.
Yeah.
What do you want that for?
Oh, he took the walking stick. She took the walking stick.
Be careful.
Paris.
Come back a little bit. And then you can go.
What are you going to do?
I think she wants to hit the ball.
Oh my goodness. She thinks of everything, doesn't she?
Oh my
She's got cricket genes from me.
gosh. She's very creative.
How about you show give part of the walking stick back?
No.
Give that to Pana.
I'll show you what to do.
Give part of walking stick. Be gentle.
No. Get the water.
Careful.
You hold it this way. Hang on. Like this. Like this. Boom.
Like a golf.
How about we kick? Good kick, mummy.
Paris not watching.
I want to try it.
Eh?
I could try it.
You're going to try that, are you?
Alright.
Now careful with the stick,
Yeah,
na.
that's all
Go
right.
stand over there. Do you know how to do
That's
it?
it. No, put it down. Like I show you, the other end.
Like this.
It's
Like this.
that,
Hold it like
isn't
this.
it?
Okay, ready? Hold it like this. That way. Hold it down. Down.
Okay, well, it's
Hold it there. Hold one hand
in
down.
that, Jovey.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hold this hand. Yeah. Now, Papa will throw it to you. Ready? Hit it. Oh! Hit it again. Hit it again.
Good job. Whoa.
I know. I've got a little walking stick in there. Maybe that's what she wants.
Give that to Papa na.
Give it the pass so I can walk.
No.
That's
I can't
all right.
walk without it. Hang on. We've got to look for the other walking stick.
Wait, Paris.
Have a look in here for the other walking stick.
Kick this to daddy.
Have a look at her.
Well, wait, not there.
Careful, honey.
I don't think it'll be all the way there. Here we are. I can see it. What's this one?
You got one. Paris got her own.
Hang on. Like that now. Boom.
Wow.
Daddy.
Alright, ready? There you go. Ready? Daddy's gonna kick it to you.
Okay.
Daddy's gonna kick the ball to you.
The other way.
Wow.
Now, Daddy, kick this ball.
Okay.
Go tell ask Papa to come in.
Papa, come here.
Okay.
Oh, no.
She's very worried, Mom.
Oh, it's scary, Dad. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know. It's scary. I know the lightning is very scary, isn't
Oh,
it?
little Paris.
But she was just like, Mommy, that didn't just make sure everyone's in.
How quickly she got up the stairs. She got up the stairs so quickly.
Yeah, we're not holding Mom.
She's like,
She was so scared.
It's scary.
Oh my god. The lightning.
Oh, Papa's coming.
Papa's coming.
Papa's coming, little girl.
Papa's coming.
Oh my god.
Oh, dear little girl.
Lightning is raining outside.
I know. That was loud, wasn't it?
I thought someone was taking a photo of us.
Yeah.
Were you scared?
This is some scary because I'm gonna go inside there.
Yeah, no, straight away inside.
Oh my goodness.
Come here.
Don't be scared now. We're all fine now, okay?
We'll find
Oh,
out.
wait.
Yeah, we're inside the house now.
Say I'm scared.
I'm scared outside because they say psh, psh.
Oh,
Is Papa okay?
Papa okay? Papa's okay.
Don't scratch Papa.
I'm so much.
Yeah.
Is he okay now? Go check if
You
Papa's
go
okay.
check.
Can I go check if Papa's okay?
Papa's okay. Papa's coming in. Yeah. Here comes Papa now.
Papa, we're scared this time.
Yeah, Papa's
Go, Papa, if he's okay. Go.
Go and see Papa's
Say, Papa.
okay.
Papa,
You go and
Go.
say, Papa, you okay?
Go, let's go check.
You go and check Papa. Oh, isn't he lovely? Isn't that beautiful?
Where are you?
Where are you? Papa's coming. You go
The
and
back
say
door, knock.
Papa's
The back door there.
Papa's coming in the back door. You go there and see Papa's okay. Paris?
Go, knock.
Papa, Papa. Okay, okay.
Here he comes.
Where is he?
Come sit with Daddy.
I'm so scary.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Renee wasn't watching.
You count again.
Do it again.
3, 4.
Stop cheating.
Oh, you was nice watching.
Here
Oh, Nanny's watching now.
Pa's in the kitchen. Let's go find her.
Yeah.
Hide, knock, hide.
8, 9, 10. Ready or not?
Don't show your face. Very quiet.
Where's that little Paris?
Where's Cassie?
Don't say.
That I can find
So
her.
she doesn't say anything.
She wouldn't be in that doll's house, would she?
Could be.
No, she's not behind the table. She's not under the table. I wonder where she is. I can't find her.
No. I haven't seen her.
I think she went out.
Yeah, I do too.
She wouldn't be under the table. No, no. Little girls don't hide under the table. Not princesses. I wonder where she is. I wonder whether she's down here.
She'll be down there.
No, she's not where the doll's house is. I'll have to have a look down here then. I'll have a
She's
look
showing
down
me
here and
stuff
see if I can find her.
Yeah.
She's not under this chair, is she? No.
No. I don't know where Paris
Oh, I don't know where she
You're
is.
not good at finding, Pa.
I don't know where she is.
She's-
I give up.
She's really good at hiding.
Yes.
I'll give up. Where's Paris?
Don't know.
It looks like Paris has got to stay here tonight.
Yes.
Mummy and Daddy are going now. The fun is coming. Huh?
Oh, what's that?
Ooh, is Paris there?
What's that? Mummy, what's that sound?
Oh,
Is it a witch?
Yeah.
hey.
Where is Paris?
Oh, there you are.
Oh,
I can see you. Yeah, you hey. No. Put all them blocks in the bag.
I'm tired.
1, 2,
Actually,
Anthony.
What's that, anak, be? Show me. Oh, Anthony.
Anthony.
That's Anthony. That's my cousin. Show.
Annie.
That's David. Hello,
Oh,
David.
he's lovely. Isn't he lovely?
Who's that, anak? Where?
Anthony.
It's
Ah,
lovely.
Tito Anthony, you remember?
Anthony's lovely.
How did your
boy.
mum get on with that water? What are you going to do with them?
I love her hair.
I want to get.
Yeah.
You wanna give some to Papa?
Yeah.
No, she doesn't. Can I have them?
No, don't.
Oh, she wants to give you the other packet.
The other
We'll leave them near that place.
It's alright, Papa will get it now. It's okay. Come on, we gotta go now. Yeah. Okay.
Maybe she wants to
Can you reach it?
Maybe she wants
Rachel,
to
what name did you get it? Mommy did it.
I can't reach it. This is this guy.
Okay, go.
That one is for Papa.
That's one for Papa.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Papa.
Is that mine?
Oh, isn't she
Thank you.
lovely? Oh,
Just because she doesn't want to share the other ones. Okay, give Nanya a kiss now and Papa.
No, they're going out.
cuddles.
Yeah, but it's cold outside, Bub.
Love you so much.
I love you so much.
Yeah, I love you so much.
How about Papa, anak?
What about Papa?
Yes, I love you so much too.
Yes.
Mmm.
You say I love you so much?
Love you so much.
And I love you so much.
Tabanan.
Yeah.
Who are you?
We'll see you next week.
See you later.
You love
See you next week.
Yep.
Tingnan niyo guys, oh, pinaklose ni Baby Paris yung mga blinds kasi di ba nag-lightning kanina nung nandun kami sa papa at nani niya.
Get off my shoe.
Natatakot na siya guys.
Get off my
So,
shoe.
we
You
are-
smell like sinigang.
Yes, sinigang. Daddy's shoes smells like sinigang. Ikaw nakabay sinigang.
Mama,
Ah, shush! Ayan, ay, nakatulog siya sa car.
it's blink.
What is it?
It blinks.
It's blinks?
It blinks a light.
Yeah, I know. It's a
Okay.
lightning. We're safe now. We're home, okay? We're okay now, okay? It's just kagubot sa buhok. Ah, kakapasok lang talaga namin, guys. Literally. Kaya nasabi niya sa daddy niya straight away, close the window. Natatakot siya sa lightning. Liwat siya, mama. Time check tayo. It's now, 8:51 ng gabi. And dahil ito ay nakatulog sa sasakyan kanina, I'm not too sure if matutulog to siya very soon.
There we go.
What is it?
This is a G for the Jeep.
What is it?
This is a for the Jeep. Okay.
For the jail?
Yes, I'm the music sticker.
Well, are you a police?
Yeah.
Are you catching mommy?
Yeah.
What did I do wrong?
Yeah, just scanning the pictures
Yeah, what did I do wrong?
from the pictures.
I'm not a bad person. Why are you catching me, police? Nak, did you have fun? Did you have fun at Nan's today? And Papa?
I'm gonna get stickers.
Oi, tell me. Did you have fun with Nani and Papa?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you play hide and seek? Yeah. Yeah?
I'm gonna.
Oh, there was thunder, wasn't it? It was a thunder. It was scary. I was very scared too. Were you scared?
No.
Ay! Mo magiging pasarado ang bintana na all the blinds are closed because Paris.
I'm blinks again.
What is it?
Mommy.
What is it, anak? Anyways, guys, i-end na natin yung vlog dito kasi it's late now and bukas pala may lakad si mami niyo. I'll be working from home tomorrow pero late na akong magsa-start kasi meron akong anong tawag doon? Meron akong appointment sa hospital tomorrow for our pregnancy. Yeah, but before natin i-end yung vlog, we will do a quick shout out as always. Shout out to Fe Guarnes, Erica Peralta, Gail 7777, Teza Moreno, Algin Gayanelo, Efigenia Zarate, Jonah Reese, Joanne Ambe, Maria Luz Floremonte, Elsa Serrano, Salvacion Miguel, Sheila Sulanoy, Novero Yoli, Yumi, Los Viminda Arabia, Digna Villavicencio, JC Rain Garcia, Irene Aliperio, Chris Pinay Daily Story, and Josephine Tan. What is it, anak? Tingnan yung ginagawa niya sa akin, guys. Oh.
Naughty, Mommy.
I'm not naughty.
You still order.
I'm not. What did I do?
You just done the picture.
What is it?
You're gonna pick a picture.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Because you're so naughty.
Oh, I don't know what I've done wrong.
Because you're gonna do that.
Oh, because I'm vlogging?
Yeah.
No.
Because you're naughty because I'm a police.
Of course you're a police and Mama's naughty. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up. And also, make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Ang daddy mic pala natin ay nasa shower na, guys. So, wala siya dito. We hope to see you all on the next one. Don't forget to be good. Nak. And if you can't, Paris, if you can't,
Careful, bye.
look at here when you say bye.
Careful, bye.